Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader, and here to go over my trades for the day. Uh, no trade day, man. No trade day. Um, so when I started this week, this was supposed to be my last week, my last little hoorah before I throw the towel in and go back to the 9 to 5. But I really felt like I was really close to it. Like I have it. I just got these few things that I keep that I keep doing that's getting in my way. And so I sent some money to my account last week and decided to give it one more go. And Friday, I raised my risk to $25. I'd been doing $5 for the last month, I think. So I went up to $25 and closed with about 3R. And then Monday, I went up to $50 risk. And what I make, 6R? Yeah, 6R. And then Tuesday, I went up to $100 risk and made 4R. And then Wednesday, I went up to $135 risk and lost 4R, which was a big setback. Was a big setback, but I got a lot out of it. Um, Things have slowed down a lot since not trading on the 1 minute chart anymore. And there were still a couple setups that I kind of had vague criteria around. So when they showed up, it was like a stressful moment because I didn't have clear direction. It was kind of like a see what it looks like type of thing. Like if it does this, kind of see what it looks like, get a feel for it type of thing. And that was just stressful, man. And the reason the main one is buying extended from the EMA, buying extended from the EMA, like a purchase something like this. I want to get the test to the EMA and take it right off of there. And to me, once it's up here, it just means that I missed the entry. And I just decided I'm just gonna stop buying when they're extended. I'm not gonna when it's extended look and see if it's close to any other levels or what the volume's doing. What if I just cut that whole variation out? That I just consider when it's up here, when it's already moved away from the EMA and it's coming back, the move was just missed. And just let that one go and wait for a higher probability setup, one that's closer to what you want to see. And that this morning, um, well, after I lost 4R Wednesday, I made back 3R Thursday. So I was almost back to where I was minus 100, little over $100. And so today I was like, if I can just finish strong and have a big green day to really seal the deal that I know what I'm doing. So I really was hoping for like a 4 or 5R type of day. But before I started the day, I started going through my journals, looking at where were the mistakes that I was making this week. And it was buying trades that were extended from the EMA and buying wide range entries that don't have good risk to reward. Like those were the main, and then one that I bought below the EMA, which is like easy to not do, I think. So yeah, I just decided I'm not gonna take any trades extended from the EMA. So I sat here today and I watched 3 stocks, which what were they? Was it GPUS? No, I can't even remember what they were. It doesn't matter. They didn't tell me any good setups. So I didn't trade. Man, it was hard too. I was really talking to myself to talk myself out of taking these setups that I would normally take. And I just was like not willing to, man. It just wasn't worth the risk to me, you know. It's not exactly what I'm looking for. Why? But I don't have to buy it. I don't have to buy it. I realized that whenever I would see a bullish chart, if I couldn't see a high quality setup, I would find another way to trade it. I would find another reason to take an entry because I thought the chart was bullish and it was going to go up and I wanted to be a part of the move. But without the setup, how do you know when to buy it? How do you find a good opportunity to buy? There isn't one, you know? So, yeah, man, I think coming in here and being able to sit on my hands because I didn't see my setup, that's a way bigger win than coming in here and making 4 or 5 R. Way bigger because I've been finding the good trades this whole time. It's not that hasn't been the problem. The problem has been sitting on my hands in between those good trades. And what I do in between those good trades is take bad trades. So to be able to sit here and do nothing because there was literally nothing to do except lose money. And I did nothing and I didn't lose money. And I think that's huge confirmation that we're ready, man. We're ready. And that I can trust myself to sit here and do the job. You know, at least I have the capability, you know. I'm sure there's going to be, you know, more ups and downs to come and more setbacks and mistakes and things like that. But I guess the hope is that I've gotten good enough and I've corrected enough of my mistakes that I can be profitable. Because I think there's kind of an idea when you're trying to become profitable that the only way to be profitable is to be perfect. And that's not going to happen. I think that's a mistake. Like you're always going to have, you know, your bad days and your mistakes, but you just have to, the mistakes can't be the consistent part, right? The good trading has to be the consistent part and the mistakes have to be the rare part. Trey pointed out to me that usually I'll have a lot of red days and then have green days sprinkled in. And now it's the other way around, that the mistakes have become less consistent and the good decision making is becoming more consistent. So things are looking up, man. Second green week in a row. I went over some stats in my journal and pretty cool stuff. So last week I took 50 trades. Not this week, but last week. I took 50 trades. And 1 second. Got it down here somewhere. Where did I put that at? Okay, here we go. Here we go. 38% accuracy. Where is it? I thought I wrote it down on my phone. Okay, here we go. Here we go. My bad, y'all. All right, so last week, 50 trades, 38% accuracy, 2.4 to 1 profit ratio, and I finished up the week 3R. 50 trades. That's a lot of trades, man. But this week, I took 18 trades, 43% accuracy, and 2.13 to 1 risk to reward. But I finished up the week 9R. So big week compared to last week. You know, it took a lot less trades, better accuracy, about the same risk to reward, but I finished up 9R, 6 more R than last week. I'm super determined to break 50% next week. I honestly believe that it'll be pretty high. I think 66%. I'll say 67 just to get away from the sixes. Um, yeah, if I can be picky and just not like, if I can literally just go a week with only trading my setup off of the EMA, it's game over. It's game over. So, we'll see. But I'm definitely I just want to be really good at passing up weak setups, non-existent setups. Really good at filtering out the daily, really good at filtering out, the price action I don't want to participate in. That's the goal right now. Um, yeah, so super solid week, man. 9R plus a no trading day. Like that's pretty cool. So 4 days, 4 trading days, 9R, and I lost 4R on one of those days too. So pretty awesome, man. Pretty awesome. Now it's really do or die. This week it was do or die for the dream, but now it's do or die life. Like this means that I'm going to I got a text message sitting in my phone right now that says, "Are we good for Monday?" So this is like a big fork in the road. I'm gonna tell them, "Hey man, I appreciate the opportunity, but I can't start right now." I don't even know what to tell them, but um, I was talking to Trey, man, and I was just like, I know, like the right, the responsible thing to do is to go ahead and go back to work and save up some money, and then come back at another time when there's no financial pressure, and I got the savings and all of that. I know that. I understand. But I'm a dream chaser, man. And I'm always ready to take that leap of faith. And I really believe in myself right now. Especially after today, man. After this week, but to seal it off with a no trade day. I can do this, man. I can do this. Like, bruh, 10R a week. If I could do 10R a week, work my way up to 20R, I mean to $200 at risk, game over, man. I'm good. I'm good. But I'm gonna start the week out where I finished at $135 risk, and hopefully I can just keep building. If my accuracy is actually, you know, 60 plus percent, then if I take multiple trades in a day, then I should not lose 3 trades in a row very often. Like that should be max loss should be super rare. And the fact that I was hitting it day after day was ridiculous. It should be really rare. Like it's a super special just in case safety net. Like not nothing I lean on as a tool every day to keep from destroying my account, you know? So exciting times, man. I'm really hoping for just good execution next week, but I need to make some money like rapidly. Like part of this process, part of this being able to happen right now, like I was saying last week, like some magical stuff has to happen. Like and I don't want to say magic, like, but like the blessings of God. Like, you know, I need the success. I need to be granted the success. Um, because I have a really small account and I need to generate money in a short amount of time. And I know this is like against all the principles of trading to trade under this kind of pressure and all of that stuff, but I honestly think that the pressure is what's making me do better right now. Don't y'all think so? Guess we'll find out, man. We'll find out if it's real. We're 2 weeks green right now. So Trey said it ain't enough yet. So see if we can do another week and then see what's up. But this is real now. We got real money on the table, real risk, real potential to blow up accounts, you know. So just gotta keep it tight, man, and do the thing, man. I got this. Appreciate y'all support, man. Y'all being here with me. Um, yeah, man. We'll be back Monday, man, in the battle station. Ready to do the thing, man. All right, man. Y'all have a great weekend, and catch y'all Monday at the open. Peace.